guys, this is Swati and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review one of the most talked about foundation, that is Urban Decay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. So here it is. This is how the packaging looks like. I've heard a lot of reviews about it, that it's good. Some say it's more drying. It is actually a matte foundation and I have a really dry skin, especially in this area and somewhere in my around my nose. So I was really keen to test it out and how it goes on my skin, especially the brown and Indian skin, and how this works out. I really wanted to try it. So yeah, I finally got my hands on it and now we are gonna test it. So I have already prepped my face. I have tons of moisturizer on. I have my serum on because this is a matte foundation and I don't want it to get my skin dry, but we have to see. I have not primed my skin because I want to see how it's gonna do on its own. That's the best way to test a foundation, because with a primer, with a hydrating primer, it's gonna stay. Also, it says it stays up to 24 hours. Also, I got this in shade 40 CP. So lady at the store, she helped me pick out my shade. Actually there was two shades, this one and there was 141 something. I was in between both the shades, I don't know. So we finally chose this one. Oh. So yeah, the packaging is, so it has a pump here for easy takeout. I really appreciate it. I like non-messy stuff. I don't like opening a bottle, putting it here. No, I like a good pump, so it's easy, clean, no mess. So here it goes. So how we are gonna do this, I'm gonna apply this foundation half with a buffing brush and half with a sponge. So I'm gonna start with two pumps here. I'm gonna take it at the back of my hand. Oops. One pump, two pump. Do you see that? It's really liquidy. So I'm gonna do my right side with the brush and left side with the sponge. We should cover our neck too. Oh my god, this is lighter. Can you see that? It seems a bit lighter. I should have gone for one shade darker. I think this is a pink tone. I feel like it's a pink tone, but that's all what we have, so we have to try with this. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out. I'm not gonna spread it with the brush. It's not actually a warm tone. It's more on a pinkish side, this shade 40 CP. So I would suggest,
oh yes, it's a cool pink tone.
then we need to go for one shade darker, warm tone, because I have a brown skin and warm tones works better for me. It does say it is light to medium coverage, which I can see, and as you can see on my right side here, it's still lighter. You can still see through my skin here. It's not covering up the whole face, which is something I really like because you can always build it up. By far, I like the coverage, I like the finish. So let's go in with the sponge. So I still have a lot of product left on my hand. I'm gonna try use that. Seriously guys, my skin is not oily, it is really dry, and matte foundations hardly work for me. So I can feel the dryness. It's not too much, but I still feel it. By far it's not bad. If you want very light and sheer coverage, so you can go ahead with the sponge, but I think this foundation works little better with the brush. Honestly, I don't hate it. It's a really nice foundation. It's not heavy, it's light, and it gives pretty much good coverage. It covers my redness over here, so I'm not mad at all if I don't want to go with the heavy full coverage foundation. This might work, but yes, we have to see how it's wear whole day on my skin, if it will dry out my skin or it will start to come off. Also they say, so this one is flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish spot on, medium buildable coverage. It is a medium coverage, buildable, we'll test it, does not transfer, that we have to go like we have to wear it throughout the day and check it out. It minimizes the appearance of pores, which I noticed is actually true. I have pores here on my face, and it is actually minimizing those pores. I don't see it like getting bigger. Many foundations tend to make my pores bigger, so which it is not doing, which is the huge plus point. And straight true color, I think it is. It's the only thing I should have gone for the warmer tone. It is a cool tone. Waterproof, that we need to look. I think I'm gonna splash some water on my face. I feel like doing it. Vegan formula, does not contain animal derived ingredients or byproducts, which is a good thing. So let's go in with the second layer. Again, I'm taking 2 pumps. Wow, it does not make it cakey, it's still light with the brush, and it is buildable. Still, it is a medium coverage. It does not give you the heavy full coverage because I still can see my skin underneath even after the second layer with the brush, and it still feels light. It does not feel heavy, which is great, but I do feel like I needed more heavy moisturizing underneath because I feel I'm getting dry at some parts. So let's see how it do with the sponge. till the medium coverage, but I really love it. With the sponge, it's more smoother, more air finished look. So this is my left side with the beauty blender, and this is the right side with the brush. And so I'm gonna quickly finish rest of my makeup and we'll see how it goes. So I'm ready now. I have done all my makeup. I generally go in with the setting spray, but today I'm not gonna do that because I want to check out on this foundation how it's gonna wear till the end. So I guess I will check in after some time, maybe 3-4 hours. Hi guys, it's me back again. So it's for my last update, 7:49. I'm just so tired. So far so good. It did not dry me. I just noticed one thing, creases under my eyes. Go for this foundation, it's still as it is, just the creases. I would recommend putting on more eye cream or so, and with the primer it will be more finished look, but for now it is so good. I don't see any wear off. Thumbs up to this foundation, yes, for sure. Look at my face. For me to say goodbye, and I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed it too, and if you did, please do like my video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on the Instagram. I would really appreciate that.